our vision is of a clean, beautiful, and healthy city where water is safe, accessible, affordable, and regular, where garbage is collected and safely disposed of, and where sewage is treated and the environment is green and alive.
1 in 3 people in our county are below the age of 19. 75% of Nairobi is below the age of 35. Therefore, the biggest need in Nairobi is to educate children and to give people good health, especially maternal health care, immunization, and maternity care. 90% of the people who give birth in Nairobi, they give birth in hospital. If you go to a county like Elgeyo Marakwet, only about 10% or less than 15% less than 20% give birth in hospital. But Nairobi loses 49 babies for every 1,000 born. Elgeyo Marakwet, I think, loses around 33 or 36.